Hi, babies. Hi. Hi, Peanut. Hi, Peanut. Look at you. Trying to jump out. What are you doing, Isabella? Hi, Jasmine. Oh, we can't even see that pretty little face. Hello, Oliver. Hi, Oliver. Jasmine. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Hi, honey. So pretty. Look at you. You're always stinky. You're always stinky. Hi, pretty babies. Hi. Look at you. You want to get out again? You keep busting out, little girl. Hello. Hello. Hi, babies. Hello. Hi, babies. They're 4 weeks old yesterday and becoming more active. And you can see Isabella is trying to bust out. And then when she gets out, she starts crying. Like, oh, what'd I do? All right, these two. Hi, little guys. Hi. Hi. I can't even see your pretty face, little Jasmine, because you're so dark. Hi. Oh, look at you. Camera hog.